So this is how you get yourself onboarded or registered on the new Government of Ghana E-PaySlip system. So let me just say that don't allow this simple exercise to make you not get your salary. So what you need to do is to simply go to your browser, any browser you are using. I'm going to use Chrome once again. I'll just tap on Google Chrome. Then where there is search, I'll just type then I'll search for GOG Pay services. So it even pops up here. So you have GOG Pay services. So we are not using the old one. The old one is ePaySlip, whilst the new one is GOGEPayservices.com. So that is what we are going to choose. So note that it is still under construction. That is why you don't see any logo with the link that you see here. But once they are done, you see the logo of Controller and Accountant General there. So you just tap on it. It loads and brings you here. So once it brings you here, you just tap on Forgot Password. It loads and brings you here. And here you put in your staff ID. Okay, that is the employee number. That is your staff ID. After putting your staff ID, you tap on Continue. It processes and brings a bit of your details out. And it asks you to enter your Ghana card number. So you see that it has the ending part of a Ghana card. So any Ghana card you are entering, it should coincide with the ending part of this. It should be the same thing. If it's not the same thing, they'll tell you the Ghana card you've entered is not valid or it's invalid. So let me do that. So once you enter a Ghana card, you tap on Verify Ghana card. It loads and pulls out your details. You can see your employee number, you can see your full name, you can see your Ghana card number. And you can see your date of birth as well. And now they ask you to enter your phone number and then your email, but the email is optional, but your phone number is mandatory. And here they are telling you to enter the 9 digit without the 0, so you don't add the 0. After entering the phone number correctly and entering your email correctly, you tap on Next. Make sure the details that comes out is really yours. If there is something that does not match with your actual records, you have to quickly reach out to your human resource manager for them to rectify that for you before you proceed. Once you're okay, you tap on Next. And here they ask you that they are going to send you an OTP, which is one-time password. So once you get the OTP, there will be a place for you to enter it in. So I'll tap on Yes, send OTP. So my OTP will be coming very soon. Sometimes it could delay, it's purely network, or sometimes there could be pressure on the system. Relax. If it doesn't come, don't be too scared. Try another time when there's network. So here I have my OTP. I'll just tap on it this way. You can see this is my OTP. Then once I enter the OTP, I'll tap on Verify OTP. And so after doing that, it brings me here, and here they are asking for me to create a password. And here is their password policy. You will be required to change your password every 6 months. So note, any password you are setting on the ePay services from today, every 6 months you have to change it. That is their password policy, which I think is security wise okay. Just that you keep on changing your password, okay? And the only thing you need to do is that you have to remember the security question that you will be answering here, which is very, very key, okay? And as I always say, always make sure you write your password down before you key them in. So let's move on. Remember, you will need to change your password every 6 months, so keep that in mind. I'm going to create my new password, and remember, before you create the new password, always write it down before you enter. And now this new password should have a letter, should have a number, should have a symbol, should have a capital letter and a small letter. So you can see once I type they are saying at least 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number, at least, and 1 special character. Okay, I'll repeat the same password here. If you key in the password and it doesn't match with what you key in the first password section, it will tell you password does not match. You have to clear it and then key it again. Now the reason why we have this icons there is for you to tap so that it can reveal exactly what you've typed there as your password. Once we are okay, we'll come to the next section. Then we'll select our security question. This is the question I'm saying that you have to remember it at all time. If you don't remember this, you might have to always visit your HR for assistance when you forget your password. So these are the questions there. What is the name of the town in which you were born? What is your mother's maiden name? What is your favorite meal? What is the first name of your best friend in secondary school? What is your oldest cousin first name? So choose the one you can easily remember, the one you will never forget. So I'm going to choose one, then I'll enter my answer. After entering your answer, you tap on next. And here they are asking you to certify that every detail you've entered there is for you. You are not impersonating anybody. So you just tap here, then you tap on register account. But before that, make sure you go back and then you cross-check whatever you've entered to be sure that you really did the right thing and there is no mistake. Once you're okay, you tap on register, processes, and bam, you have successfully been onboarded onto the new ePay system. And then you even get an SMS to confirm that. So once you're okay, you now tap on login. So I'm now going to log in. I'll tap on login. So now I can log in and I can check my details. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more great content.